In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Otter AI. By following along, you'll learn how to manage your settings and reduce the automation features that Otter AI offers. So let's get started. First, begin by navigating to the Otter Voice Meeting Notes website, also known as Otter.ai. This is your main portal to access and manage all of your Otter AI account settings, so it's important to start here. Once you're on the Otter.ai homepage, look for your user icon or name. Perhaps it displays as Trials03 or another username. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu where you can manage various facets of your account. Within this drop-down, seek out and select Account Settings. This section gives you control over your subscription, security settings, and more personalized options that allow you to customize your experience with Otter AI. After accessing account settings, you should look for a link labeled Meetings with a video link. This is crucial because it contains the features related to system alerts and email notifications which you might want to modify or switch off. From here, you'll notice several options to toggle, one of which is to turn off system alert messages. If these frequent system-generated notifications are more distracting than helpful, tapping on this option will disable them, allowing you more control over what messages come your way. Next up is managing pre-recording emails. If you're receiving too many notifications about scheduled recordings that don't necessarily require your attention, this option can be turned off with ease from the same settings page. Another applicable setting is auto capture meeting screens. This option allows Otter AI to automatically record screenshots during your meetings. If you find this unnecessary or intrusive, turning off this function is straightforward and can further tailor your settings to fit your needs. Now let's take a moment to explain what we've achieved so far on this page. These settings provide you with the flexibility to ensure that only the essential features you want to keep active are operational. It's all about customizing your Otter AI experience to suit your workflow and needs better. When you're all finished with these adjustments, you can leave the page knowing you've tailored the settings to provide a more streamlined experience, preventing unwanted notifications and automations. Remember that you can revisit these settings anytime should you wish to re-enable any of the options we've just turned off. That covers everything you need to know about turning off or adjusting features in Otter AI. You can now efficiently manage your settings and focus on what truly matters without additional overhead from unnecessary features. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial and enjoy your newly customized Otter AI experience.